Good afternoon everybody, my name is Brian Howard. Here we are at a metal detecting rally, which is really nice. Here I am with my magnificent Nissan Largo. A lot of people come in tents. I decided for my lockdown project, I don't know what you did in your lockdown project, but I converted this to a campervan. So, have a little look down and see what it's like.
Let's go for it.
Okay, this is the rear, as you can see. We have here, I think, tucked under here, spotlessly clean, nearly. There's a little tap here that operates the water, which comes from the unit under here. Here you've got water, wastewater and fresh water, and of course your gas, which runs up through into your gas hob, which is under there. That's all wired in as it should be and runs from a leisure battery which is tucked down under the seat. Let's have a look inside. Sliding side door. This was a 7-seater, but as you can see now it isn't. What we've done, this is obviously all been covered. We've got new seats in here as well. Nice plywood floor covered with the old black and white checkered, very retro.
Yeah, we love that. That's awesome.
Right, sleeping wise, the table clips off and slides, where you can see those runners, it slides down underneath there. This cushion here goes over the top of it. The other one goes the other side, which obviously makes a flat area. The seats go forward and down, so they form a completely flat area. Under here we've got some other units which go on here, which make it all the same level.
Oh,
so
lovely.
You then have a complete area for sleeping.
Nice big double bed.
Absolutely.
Yeah.
And tucked under there, you may be able to see, you may not, is another door which leads through to the fridge. It's a cooler, which all runs off the leisure battery, which is
over there.
Over there, tucked under there. Of course we have a bit of LED lighting to go all the way around, which goes, as you can see, around there.
Around the edge, yeah.
Which runs off the unit over there. And the front seats you can't see because it's got a load of gear on them.
Yeah, you've been busy staying in the camper for tonight.
Yeah.
Last night, wasn't it?
It's I'm staying here tonight. As you can see, very nice looking little car, as you can see.
Yeah.
4x4, so you've got no trouble with wet grass and things like that.
Yeah, and I see you've got the sunroof as well.
Gracious me, you noticed it has.
Yeah.
It's got sunroof and it's also got like skylights inside. It's got 4 other windows, so you can see. You can lay in bed and look at the stars.
Yeah. Oh, how wonderful!
Absolutely. Diesel, so very reliable.
Yeah.
It's a 1997, so which is quite an old one.
Yeah, but it's good.
All works well, all goes well.
Yeah. And it's a beautiful little style, isn't it?
That's what I did for lockdown.
Yeah. Brian's been super busy.
Just a bit.
Will you be doing another one?
Yes.
Yeah? Have you got your eye on something else?
Not yet, but I will be.
Yeah.
So,
and could you show us that cupboard as well?
No, I won't. This is...
Alright, that's just a
tools
storage
in here. In here there's pots and pans and a kettle, which is going on in a minute.
Oh, great. Yes,
And
you
there's a
need
little
it
toolbox
after
around the side as well.
Awesome.
So that keeps everything all nicely together.
And where did you get this? My partner wants to know where you got the grill from.
Amazon.
Amazon?
Yeah.
Ah,
Amazon.
okay, brilliant.
And you have to be really careful because the hole for it, the screws just right. If you cut the hole a bit big, you don't get your screws in.
Yeah, yeah.
But that's just a vent for the fridge.
Oh, yeah, brilliant.
And a few lights at the back there as well.
And then you were saying about you had a canopy that attached so that you can be covered.
I've got a tailgate awning which just clips on the top, comes over the top. It actually goes up. As you put this up, it goes up with it.
Ah,
It's from Crowford, they're called.
Crowford.
And it just comes down the side, absolutely perfect. Enough room for a chair, table. You can, obviously with the height of this, that's what I did. I made this lower as well. Most of them are 100 mil higher, but it's too high to cook from outside. So this is 100 mil lower, which means I'm going to put another rail on the back as well, so you have the table out the back.
Yeah.
Take it from the front, put it in the back.
And you still
Job
find
done.
the height is good for sitting in there as well?
Yeah, for in there it's absolutely fine.
Yeah.
Either way.
Awesome. Well, thanks to Brian and his amazing little camper.
Very well.
And the camper is for sale, isn't it?
Camper is for sale. I think it may be gone because we've had somebody very interested, but who knows? You could always contact me.
Yes.
And I might have another one by then.
Yeah, exactly. So I will leave everything for Brian down below, and if it hasn't sold, get in contact and we will hook you up with Brian. Thank you, bye bye.
Ready?
Yeah.
Good.
Go.
Off we go.